If you work with PostgreSQL, this channel is for you. I am Dr. Ibrahim Ahmed. I have spent more than 2 decades working with PostgreSQL, database internal, performance, replication, and production system. On this channel, I will explain PostgreSQL through real engineering problems and the kind you see in production when slow queries and bad indexes, vacuum issues, replication lag, memory settings, locking, bloat, query plan, backup, wall, and checkpoint start affecting real system. Each video focus on practical PostgreSQL problem. We look at what's wrong, what's happening, how to detect it, how to fix it safely. My goal is to help DBAs, backend engineer, architect, student, and serious PostgreSQL user understanding the database at deeper level, so they make better decision and stop guessing in production. Subscribe to the channel if you want clear, practical PostgreSQL lessons from real world experience. Here we learn PostgreSQL the right way by understanding how it works inside.